Oh my god, guys, the view in front of us. What? You guys are not ready for this. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, guys, my name is Nicklin and I'm with my friends. You guys, these are my kuja hapa concepta.
Hey, I'm Lena Skida.
Hi. And concepta. Semi jina mbona. So guys, today, actually in 10 years time, we decided to meet and we are going for a hike. It's actually the weather is not like that good for hiking. But you know what? It is what it is. Tutaenda to hike. We are currently at the Ngong Hills. Guys, we are definitely going to take you through this process of hiking. Tutajibamba na nyinyi. So subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like this video and don't forget to share. Oh my goodness, guys, the weather is so amazing. Guys, you are literally enjoying the moment. We are like us four. That's my sister over there, the one I'm pointing, this one, and this is my friend and my friend. I've actually introduced them. So let's continue with our hike. Hey, ata tujaanza. We have not even started. We're here to start. So keep subscribing. Woohoo. Ebu you guys, you normalize nini hiking dates. Si ati kila saa kuja kwangu. To normalize hii kitu. These are amazing type of dates. I mean, na wenye tulikuwa to meet na nyinyi na mkakataa kukuja. See what you're missing on. Just see. Next time when you plan something, mchangamke. Oh my god, guys, the view in front of us. What? You guys are not ready for this view. Ebu, let me get closer. Niwaonyeshe. The view is viewing. Oh my goodness, guys, just see this view. The view is amazing. There's my sister. This is Nairobi. But anyway, this is my second time here and I'm really enjoying. I just feel like it's my first time to come. Yeah. Guys, can you see people praying there? So I think some people in Kenya have normalized the aspect of coming to the hills and praying. Yeah. We don't want to distract them, so tutapitia mbalimbali as we continue with our hike. We are so excited to go to our first hill. Muna food? Mbona muna food? Mbona muna food? So guys, when you come to Ngong Hills, you can do a variety of activities. Like you can hike, you can come for jogging, you can come for a picnic, you can also come and pray. People are praying here.
You can also come to take your zongos around.
You have one, exactly. But then guys, if you're looking for a place in Nairobi, this is the place to be. Yeah, come to Ngong Hills and hike here. It's actually very nice. I like actually the weather. The dogs.
Landscape.
The landscape, yeah. The landscape. So, Aki, imagine, you won't believe bado
Hatujaanza
our first hill, but we're almost getting there. Yeah, see you guys when you get to the first hill. So guys, we are about to start our hiking. This is the first hill behind me. Guys, it's so steep. I don't know if I'll manage it, but the first time I was here, I did it, and we are going to do it. And I also wanted to mention just but a few things that you can come and do here at Ngong Hills. There are a lot of activities like zip lining, which is still among on my bucket list. We're yet to clear that. And you can come and do archery. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. It's so windy over here. I hope you guys can hear. So there is also paintballs. I don't know paintballs exactly, but you can come and do that. There is also like a very nice nature and views. You can just come and relax, maybe do your read your novels or something interesting. I mean, yeah, there are a lot of things. Anyway, guys, let's get at it. We will see where we will reach, but in the meantime, we would like to do like a short story time with my primary friends. Guys, as I told you, I came here hiking with my friends. They're over there taking a lot of photos and videos. So yeah, we're catching up. Imagine 10 years later. 10 years later, guys. Who is your friend of like 10 years ago? Maybe at a movie. Anyway, guys, remember to subscribe, like, and I mean share my videos. Share my videos to more adventures with you guys. So let's enjoy this moment.
So guys, as we start our hiking, let me tell you a little bit more about the Ngong Hills. It's a beautiful range of hills. To be specific, there are 7 hills located at the southwest of Nairobi in the Great Rift Valley region of Kenya. As I mentioned before, guys, there are like a lot of activities that you can do at Ngong Hills. Besides hiking, you can camp, you can like set up your camping site, you can do picnic, you can go for bird watching and also photography. The hills offer like very amazing, stunning views of the environment, the landscape, and they are this is a very popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts. So guys, if you like outdoor activities, why not? You should definitely visit the Ngong Hills. Ngong Hills is, however, known for some historical significance. It's a site for many important, it has been a site of very many important events in Kenya, in the Kenyan history, including the Mau Mau rebellion, guys, if you know about that and whatsoever. So guys, when you come to the Ngong Hills, you can like experience the nice nature, and activities over here are spectacular. So guys, if you are planning to visit, I'll recommend that you wear comfortable clothes and shoes suitable for hiking. If you also have like the sunscreen, don't leave it behind. I'll recommend, that's very, very important. And carry along your water, plenty of water. It's also recommended. If you plan to camp, make sure to have all the necessary equipments, and it's important to always respect the natural environment and wildlife and follow all the local rules and regulations, guys. Let me know, guys, in the comment section if you would like to visit Ngong Hills. And that's basically it for us. We definitely enjoyed our hike. Guys, it's not easy, but if you like it, you'll definitely do it. Yeah, we enjoyed the hike and we enjoyed the views. I hope, guys, you will definitely tag along. I'll definitely tag along with you guys on my next hiking. And yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. That was it for this video. See you guys on my next video. I really enjoyed this episode. Bye.